Hello everyone. Questions have been raised over the legality of National Assembly Nosiviwe Mapisa-Nqakula's decision to reject a secret ballot in a sitting considering the Section 89 PhalaPhala report. If the vote had been successful, President Cyril Ramaphosa could have been impeached due to the allegations. Before the 13th December 2022 proceedings got underway, ATM leader Violeti Zungula, an EFF Member of Parliament, insisted that voting should be secret ballot. They claimed that ANC Member of Parliament had been threatened. The lawyers for the ATM argued before a full bench of the Western Cape High Court that there was no legal basis for Mapisa-Nqakula to reject the secret ballot vote. The ATM lawyer Anton Katz asked that there's a general view of the toxic nature of the politics. Member of Parliament were threatened and some received death threats. How toxic must it get before the Speaker accedes? The full bench questioned why secret ballot was necessary, given that the National Assembly conducts its business in the open. Katz referred to previous judgment of the Supreme Court of Appeal and Constitutional Court, which have ruled on the issue of secret ballots. In December, the ATM approached the court to overturn the National Assembly's decision not to continue the impeachment proceeding against Ramaphosa regarding the PhalaPhala saga. The ATM is asking the court to set aside Mapisa-Nqakula's decision. It also asked the court to set aside the National Assembly's proceedings of 13 December and for declaratory order that such vote must be by secret ballot. Days after former Correctional Services Commissioner Arthur Fraser laid charges against Ramaphosa, Zungula lodged a motion in terms of Section 89 of the Constitution for Ramaphosa's removal. Nosiviwe Mapisa-Nqakula didn't accept the initial motion, but a subsequent one was accepted. This led to the establishment of an independent panel chaired by former Chief Justice Sandile Ngcobo, which found that Ramaphosa had prima facie case to answer. This gave rise to the 13th December sitting, where the vast majority of the ANC Member of Parliament voted against the motion to establish an inquiry into PhalaPhala. 5 ANC Member of Parliament broke ranks in the open roll call vote. Thandi Mahabeshala had initially voted in support of the motion, but later indicated that she intended to toe the party line. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.